Running a business? Marketing is key. It's the lifeblood of your brand, the bridge between you and your audience. It's how you connect with your audience, how you tell your story, and how you build lasting relationships. But keeping up with the ever-changing landscape is tough. Introducing marketing automation. This changes everything. Imagine having a tool that handles repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on strategy. Imagine this: less manual work and more impact. More time to innovate, more time to engage, and more time to grow. It's like having a superpowered team working 24/7. Ready to level up? Let's talk about ONPASSIVE, the ultimate game changer in marketing automation. It's not just another tool. It's a complete system designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing processes. Built to streamline your marketing and boost your bottom line. With real-time analytics and insights, you can make data-driven decisions effortlessly. With ONPASSIVE, you can focus on what truly matters: your customers and your vision. Let us handle the rest so you can lead your business to new heights. But first, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. What makes ONPASSIVE special? Let's dive in. Imagine artificial intelligence working for you. That's ONPASSIVE. It learns, adapts, and optimizes your campaigns. No more guesswork, just results. But there's more. ONPASSIVE is all about simplicity. It's easy to use, even if you're not a tech whiz. And the best part, it integrates seamlessly with your existing tools. It's like having a marketing superhero by your side. ONPASSIVE is a game changer for all businesses, but it's especially powerful for small and medium-sized enterprises. We get it. Resources are precious, time is limited, you need solutions that work fast. ONPASSIVE levels the playing field. It gives you the tools to compete with the big guys. Imagine automating your social media, email campaigns, and even customer support. That's the power of ONPASSIVE. Section 4. Real results, real stories. Here we dive into the transformative journeys of real people and businesses. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the voices of those who have experienced the change firsthand. Businesses are thriving with ONPASSIVE. From small startups to large enterprises, the impact is undeniable. In the future, a solopreneur who struggles to manage their online store, feeling overwhelmed like she was constantly playing catch-up. One may feel like they're drowning in to-do lists and felt stuck. Then comes ONPASSIVE, a game changer for your business. You will be able to automate your marketing, freeing up time. Sales will skyrocket, and you will see a significant increase in customer engagement. Then finally, you will have the freedom to focus on your passion. No longer tied down by mundane tasks, you could innovate and grow. This is just one story. There are countless others, each one unique, each one a testament to the power of ONPASSIVE. Section 5. ONPASSIVE in action. A glimpse into the future. Imagine this. You wake up to new leads ready to buy. Your phone buzzes with notifications, each one a potential opportunity. Your social media runs itself, engaging followers and building your brand. Posts are scheduled, comments are replied to, and your audience grows effortlessly. Your website traffic is through the roof, converting visitors into loyal customers. Analytics show a steady rise, and your sales reflect this growth. This isn't a dream, it's the future of marketing with ONPASSIVE. Advanced tools and AI-driven strategies are at your fingertips, making complex tasks simple. It's about working smarter, not harder. Automation takes care of repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for innovation and creativity. It's about achieving more than you ever thought possible. Your team celebrates milestones, and the charts show continuous growth. Are you ready to join the movement? Step into the future with ONPASSIVE and transform the way you do business. Section 6. Ready to transform your business? It's time to ditch the overwhelm and embrace the power of automation. ONPASSIVE is your key to unlocking extraordinary growth. Say goodbye to marketing headaches and hello to a brighter, more prosperous future. Take the leap. Explore ONPASSIVE. Your future self will thank you. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how it will work for you, please go to the description below.